iOS 26 update doesn't just give your iPhone a visual glow-up with the liquid glass, it quietly moves in a new era of on-device intelligence that could change how you use your phone every day. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. From smarter conversations to creative tools, here are the 5 most exciting Apple Intelligence features you should try right now. First is the live translation. Embedded directly into messages, FaceTime, and phone calls, live translation lets you communicate in real time across languages with translated captions, voice, and text. Whether you're chatting with family abroad or navigating travel conversations, it's an instant bridge across language gaps. Second is Genmoji and Image Playground. Apple's generative AI tools get a major upgrade. Create emojis from text prompts, combine moods and feelings, or generate visuals in new styles like oil painting or vector art using ChatGPT. It's creativity at your fingertips. Visual intelligence is another feature which lets you see what's on your screen, take a screenshot, and Apple Intelligence can identify content, answer questions, or even pull calendar data from it. It's like having an assistant living inside every image you capture. Then there's AI for third-party apps. Developers can now build Apple Intelligence into their apps offline with privacy. Expect features like node-based quizzes, intelligent summaries, or smarter workflows, all running smoothly on your device. And at last, it's the AI-powered shortcuts. Apple Intelligence comes to the Shortcuts app, opening up new automation possibilities. Whether you're a power user or just getting started, these smarter shortcuts can predict your needs and take actions with minimal input. iOS 26 is more than an update. It's the beginning of Apple's AI era. And if you're using a compatible device like iPhone 15 Pro or newer, now's the perfect time to explore what Apple Intelligence can really do. So, when are you gonna try it? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.